Greetings Forexia family. Today we're going over the Compound Growth Calculator tutorial. This calculator can be found at forexia.net/compound calculator. This calculator has three different variables. The initial amount. The initial amount is your balance. Below that is the percentage of risk that you will be taking per trade. And below that is the investment rate that you will be reinvesting. So if you make a $100 profit and you have a 100% reinvestment rate, you will reinvest all of that back into compounding your account. That's what 100% means. So all of these variables can be changed to your liking. Let's say we want to start with a $10,000 trading account. We type in 10,000 US dollars, and let's say we are risking 3% of our balance per trade. And we are going to reinvest all of our profit back into compounding our account. Let's calculate and see what happens. All right, we can see that the chart has calculated automatically 90 trades worth of data, basically. Compounding the $10,000 in 90 trades to $138,000+. Now, this is based off of a 10 pip take profit system. Basically, 10 pip, every 10 pips you take profit. So, for example here, we are risking a 3% on a $10,000 account. That would be equivalent to risk 3 lots at a 10 pip stop loss or 10 pip take profit level. So for example here, we have a 3 standard lot size. If we hit a take profit level of 10 pips, we would make an earning of $300. And we would move on to the next level. As we are reinvesting 100%, we would have a total principal on the second of $10,300. Now, the beauty of this system is that, at least for me personally and my students, we don't use a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. That means that we can jump these levels. We don't have to go from 1 to 2 to 2 to 3 to 3 to 4. We can literally jump from 1 to 10 in one trade. And let me show you guys how this is done. So, we're still going to be risking this same amount, 3%. However, we're going to have a 10 pip stop loss and a 100 pip take profit level. Now, some people may say that's crazy, that's impossible. Well, here are some of the trades that we have taken. This trade was taken April 29th of 2020. This is the SignatureTrade. This is our signature trade on a macro level on Euro JPY 60-minute time frame. We saw price basically in our take profit, or excuse me, our entry zone, this red zone here, and this blue line here is our projected price, where basically we said we are going to buy here with a 20 pip stop loss, and we are going to take profit up here for around 200 plus pips. Here is what happened. Price dipped about 10 pips negative against us. We had a 20 pip stop loss and then shot up a little over 200 pips. In one candle shoots up over 150 pips. So that is equivalent of taking a trade with a 10 pip stop loss and a 100 pip take profit level. What would happen here if we would risk a 10 pip stop loss yet hit a take profit level of 100 pips? Okay, we would be risking on our $10,000 account $300. But we would be risking a 3 standard lot size. If we hit our take profit level of 100 pips, we would make a total of $3,000 equivalent. So we would jump from trade 1 all the way to the balance of 13,000. So we would jump from 1 to 10 in one trade, you guys. That's what I'm trying to get across here, that you don't have to go from 1 to 2 to 2 to 3 to 3 to 4. You can jump from 1 to 10 based off of the risk reward that you're using and you're giving to yourself. So, for example, this was a trade that could have given this outcome, right? This was a 20 pip stop loss with a 200 pip take profit level. Okay, we were risking 20 pips to make 200 pips. It's a 1 to 10 equivalent. Now, we can see that we jumped from 1 to 10. What happens though if we lose a trade? If we lose a trade and we're still only risking a 10 pip stop loss, we just move from 10 to 9. Here is our loss. Here is what we were risking with the 10 pip stop loss. We would lose this amount and we would just drop one level. You see, that's the key here, is that we're risking 10 pips, and if we lose, we drop back 1. Okay? However, if we win, we have the potential to skip multiple levels. Okay? Multiple levels. We can jump from 1 to 10 in one trade. So that's why we created this chart, you guys. That's why we automated it. That's who we are here at Forexia. We are trying to innovate, give you guys the best possible tools. So hopefully you guys can use this to your best advantage. This was the tutorial of the compound growth calculator. See you guys later. Peace out.